Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2013 Chevy Silverado 1500. Stock number is A6754A. Starting right away up front, you have easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. You also have the chrome wheels. We're going to take a quick look at those and then show you the tread on the tires. We'll also take a look underneath to show you the lift kit that you have on here. You have running boards on the side, inside leather interior. The center console does fold up and become an additional third seat, making this a 6-seater. One more look down the passenger side, then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a factory trailer hitch on the back. Pendoliner bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Cruise controls, full touchscreen that includes your stereo, climate control, and your four-wheel drive controls are here. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck, all at holidayautomotive.com.